Welcome back to Online Tools Master, your home for discovering the coolest tools on the web. In our previous video, we explored the first 6 fractal tree designs, from the Canopy Dragon Fractal to the stunning Square Dragon, each crafted with unique branch angles, scale factors, and colorful gradients. If you missed it, be sure to check out part 1 in the description below. But now it's time to continue. In part 2, we'll look at 6 more fractal tree examples, including spirals, loops, canter sets, and a foamy finale. Let's dive in. To access the tool, just open your browser and go to www.onlinetools.com/fractal. Here you can find the Canopy Fractal Generator tool. It's that simple. Meet the Golden 60 tree, a symmetric binary fractal with 14 iterations. With branches bending at 60 degrees, it's self-contacting. The twig tips touch but don't overlap. The branching follows the golden ratio, creating a golden Koch curve and a canter set at the top. The tree transitions from orange to yellow set against a purple to gold backdrop. Introducing the Golden 120 tree, a self-contacting fractal with a 120-degree branch angle. This tree is filled with endless equilateral triangles, including the smallest one surrounding the fractal. At the top, a hidden cantor fractal forms, and it can tile into hexagons or create a Sierpinski triangle. It even resembles a futuristic lamppost, perfect for the next city design. Now let's check out the Golden Koch Curve, a fascinating variation of the golden self-contacting tree. With a 144-degree branching angle, the tree's tips create a stunning Koch fractal pattern. We flipped the fractal upside down to make it even more mesmerizing, removed the trunk for a cleaner look, and expanded the canvas to give the fractal more room to shine. What's even more remarkable? If you rotate 4 copies of this tree around the bottom of the trunk at 72-degree angles, you get a beautiful golden Koch snowflake, a true geometric marvel. Next up, we have the stunning Chinese Dragon Fractal. This design uses a unique set of parameters. The left branch has a 45-degree bending angle and a width factor of 0.83, while the right branch bends 190 degrees, with a scale factor of 0.6 and the same width factor. With these settings, the branches twist together in a captivating spiral, with just a slight outward stretch. By running 13 iterations, we reveal the iconic shape of the Chinese dragon, a famous fractal known in East Asian art. To complete the illusion, we've added a mesmerizing white to blue gradient, giving the fractal a fiery, dragon-like appearance. Up next, we have the mesmerizing Square Dragon Fractal, displayed on a rectangular 800 by 1000 pixel canvas. This fractal uses bending angles of 190 and 90 degrees for its branches, with scale proportions set to 0.6 for the left branch and 0.75 for the right. The fractal turns toward the left side and eliminates the padding, providing a clean, uninterrupted view. By skipping the first segment, it creates an intriguing pattern that evolves with each iteration. A subtle gradient transitions from a hint of green to periwinkle, adding an ethereal touch to the design. Last, we're introducing the Foamy Canopy Fractal, a tree-like structure that twists so intricately it forms bubble-like formations, resembling foam on water. To achieve this bubbly effect, the left and right branches bend at 72 and 188 degrees respectively. Both branches share the same reduction factors, 0.69 for length and 0.78 for width. With 13 iteration steps, the fractal takes shape, adorned in an azure to white gradient that flows from the trunk to the tips of the branches. The result is a captivating foamy pattern with an ethereal transition between colors. And that completes our journey through all 12 fractal examples. From the sharp turns of dragon curves to the soft spirals of foamy loops, each fractal reveals just how beautiful math and recursion can be. Make sure to check out the Canopy Fractal Generator at www.onlinetools.com/fractal. If you enjoyed this 2-part tutorial, make sure to Like the video, subscribe to Online Tools Master, and explore our other tutorials on fractals, image tools, and text utilities. Links to part 1 as well as our past videos are all in the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring.